In this video, I'll show you how to archive Facebook posts in just a few simple steps. Archiving a post allows you to hide it from your profile without permanently deleting it. The post will no longer be visible to others, but it will still be saved in your archive so you can view it later. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile page. Scroll down until you find the post you want to archive. Once you find the post, tap on the three dots in the top corner of the post. A menu will appear with several options. From the list, tap on Move to Archive. Facebook will then move that post to your archive, and it will no longer appear on your profile timeline. You can still access the post anytime by going to your profile, tapping the three dots next to Edit Profile, opening Archive, and then selecting Posts Archive. And that's it. That's how you can archive Facebook posts easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.